I have 10 genius must-have travel finds for you. If you missed part 1 of this video, I'm gonna be sure to link it in the description box below and pin it in the comments section. You all loved that video and you're gonna love this one too. I'm gonna solve some of your biggest pain points when it comes to travel, starting with number 1. What do you do if you have multiple suitcases to carry when you're traveling? Maybe you have 3 suitcases, maybe you have a kid in one hand or a grandkid in the other hand, and you have all this luggage and you're like, what to do, go-go gadget? A 4th arm, maybe? Not anymore. Where has this been my entire life? It's these adjustable luggage straps. 2 come in a pack. I'm going to show you exactly how to use them. This is for sure a game changer. And the price point is absolutely phenomenal considering how much use you're going to get out of this. Currently on Amazon, these straps are about $13 with a 20% off coupon. Whenever you see that green checkbox on Amazon, make sure that you click it so that you can save the most amount of money. These straps also come in a couple of different sizes. I opted for the large version, and you can see here it was able to strap in 3 suitcases. The first strap has a T on it. You just put it over the handle and then you can adjust it depending upon the sizes of your suitcases. You can also be completely hands-free and back-free. You could clip a backpack on the front. You could clip a small purse, a handbag, something that's latched in there nice and securely. Now traveling is easier than ever because you have freed up an additional hand. This is awesome. Buy one for yourself, buy one for your neighbor, buy one for a family member. I would pay like $50 for this considering how helpful this is when it comes to traveling, especially because I have 4 children. I need to keep tabs on them at all times. Mama needs all of her hands available whenever possible. Oh, this next one also, where has this been my entire life? That should really be the name of this entire Amazon travel video. This comes in multiple gorgeous colors. Quality on it is awesome. It feels so nice. I love how it zips. I love how you can easily put it in a suitcase. You could also just leave this in your car with essentials. It is quite large. You could put like a couple of outfits inside here, a toothbrush, a hairbrush, some face wash. I mean, look inside there. I love it. But this is also nice because you can keep your cups in there. I'm showing how you can actually put a coffee cup in here and a water bottle in here and all your essentials that you need to quickly access when it comes to travel. And this is just so cute and chic, and the material on it is fantastic, so I can easily wipe this off if you were to spill something on it, i.e. coffee. In fact, I have a coffee stain in my pants right now. No joke. This is what happens when you wear white, huh? Let's talk about more hands-free option. In fact, that actually should be the title of this video. This water bottle holder. I love this, especially if you're going for a long walk or you're going for a hike and you want your water bottle with you. All you have to do is just put it around your body like a crossbody. It fits your cell phone. You could even put some chapstick in there, little trinkets. You could put keys. I mean, you could put a whole lot of stuff in these water bottle holders. I loved them so much. I also got one for my daughter. I'm gonna link a couple of different options for you because for her, I got her the personalized version. But then for myself, I just got the plain option. So both of these are excellent. This would also be amazing for travel. So if you're going out on an adventure day or a shopping day and you don't want to have to put your water bottle, I don't know, carry it, lug it, wear a backpack, all you need to do is put it around your shoulder. Crossbody is my favorite way to wear this, and you can easily access it whenever you need to. You are hydrated, you are feeling good, especially when you travel. You often tend to get dehydrated, which causes your skin not to look oh so fabulous and glamorous. You want to make sure that you're getting plenty of fluids, especially on your travel adventures. If you're going to the beach and your hands are full, if you're going to the pool, we're gonna get to some really cool pool options here in just a little bit. This next item is on the customer's most loved list. It's this hydration multiplier. I love these. They taste delicious. They make you want to drink more water. They are a #1 bestseller. They come in a variety of delicious flavors. My husband has actually been using this product for several years now, especially when he goes on long camping trips or he goes hunting. So if you're tired of your plain old boring water that doesn't necessarily rejuvenate you and give you all the nice vitamins and minerals, I highly recommend this one. According to the product, you will have faster hydration than if you were just to drink water alone. Scientifically formulated. This is also on the customer's most loved list. So when you get thirsty, you want a little snack, this is an excellent snack, especially in the, yes, I bought this on Amazon. You guys love this. It's a spicy dill pickle. I love dill pickles. I can't believe I had never tried one of these before. Like, so good. Try one. I know. It's got a kick. It's got dill pickle. I love these because they're good for you. This is a great figure-friendly snack option, and it tastes amazing. It comes in a variety of different flavors as well, but this is the one that customers most love. There's also currently a 40% off coupon on these right now. This is a steal of a deal. So we're hydrated and it tastes delicious, and we're having our very tasty snacks all at once. We are having like the best time of our lives on vacation or in your everyday life. Maybe your vacation is just going to the pool or to the beach. I mean, that's what we're doing this summer, but I don't know if these are gonna last us until our pool opens. They're so good. There's a couple things in your life that when you need it, you need it. Chapstick is one of them. The second thing is a toothpick if you have something stuck in your tooth. It's just like those little annoying things. The third are scissors, or nail file is also something. I mean, you got a snag nail, it's catching on everything. You're like, where's my nail file? But the other thing that you wanna have in your repertoire is a great pair of scissors. And these are wonderful because they are foldable. They fit in your pocket. They fit in your purse. They're not gonna poke anything when you are traveling. In fact, I'm also gonna keep these in my vehicle because, you know, sometimes you have a snag on your shirt and it's just driving you nuts and you don't wanna pull it because then you might rip your shirt even more. You just want a great pair of scissors just to cut. And I am a lefty and I was able to cut with ease with these scissors. That's the true test. Is this a good pair of scissors? Can a lefty cut with these? Because if a lefty can cut with them, then a righty is definitely gonna be able to. All right, high five to all my lefties out there. Let me know in that comments box below. And can you guess the price point on these foldable scissors that are so practical? Under $5 for having this gadget in your life that's gonna solve an everyday annoying problem, especially when you're traveling. I mean, it's not often that you can just grab a pair of scissors from wherever you need them, right? You're gonna impress somebody. Somebody's gonna be like, does anyone have any scissors? And you're gonna pull this out of their pocket and they're gonna be like, you are a genius. I love this travel pill organizer. I have several options, but I'm really loving this one because it is so compact, and then you can easily separate your vitamins or whatever it is that you take. I was able to load this thing up plus the top compartment with all my gummies, which are a little bit thicker and oftentimes don't fit very well in a traditional pill organizer. I like to chew my vitamins. It's like candy rather than swallow them. And can you believe this? For a limited time, this is just about $5. And I misspoke. You can actually fit 6 days of pills in there if you want to use the 6 little compartments. I know, it's so good. In fact, I'm actually using this in my everyday life rather than having like the pills all over our cabinet. I just put it in this little organizer right here, and then I never forget if I took one or not, because if it's missing, well, then I know I did a good job at taking my vitamins that day. When you travel, sometimes you want to take your favorite perfume or body spray with you, but you don't want to have to bring a big container of it. It takes up precious space, it wastes. Like, the less you can travel with, the better, so that you can truly enjoy yourself rather than having to manage all of the crap that you brought with you. That's my biggest pet peeve. When you travel, you miss out on all the fun because you're worried about all the stuff. I digress. Now, I don't even know how you say this. Is it atomizer, atomizer? I don't know, but this is fantastic. But one thing you want to check, depending upon the size of your perfume or body spray. I can't even believe how amazing this is, and it's just about $10. It's so easy. All you do is take the cap off your perfume bottle and then just pump it into the bottom of this travel perfume atomizer. I should really ask Google how to say this. Atomizer, according to Google. Now you have the perfect amount of perfume or body spray to take with you on your travel adventures, and you've cleared up more space for all the things you want to bring home from travel. I'm gonna link some of my favorite body sprays and perfume below for you in case you're interested. They smell so good. When I travel, I need to make sure that I have toothpickers on hand. You don't want anything stuck in your teeth, but also you want your toothbrush handy. I love this one. This is under $10. I'm gonna show you a variety of ways that you can use this that is phenomenal, and it's so easy to clean. You can actually remove the bottom of it. Rather than moisture getting trapped down in the bottom and you're trying to get a brush down in, no, just remove that bottom and clean out the bottom of it. That way no bacteria and smells are accumulating down there. You don't want to be brushing your teeth with that, and you want to make cleaning easy for yourself. This toothbrush travel carrier can hold 1 electric toothbrush and toothpaste, or it can hold 2 regular standard toothbrushes and toothpaste, so you have everything you need. In addition to that, the cup, when you take it off, you can actually use for water or mouthwash. So you have everything in this toothbrush carrier. It's an affordable price, and you can easily clean it. It fits easily into a purse, it fits easily into a backpack. It's a great compact size. I'm loving this. Maybe you're going camping, maybe you're going on some sort of school trip or day adventure and you want your toothbrush handy. This is it. I hate when you've gotten yourself ready, or maybe you're wearing some dark clothing and you look down and you're like, oh my gosh, there's like an animal growing on me. You want a lint roller, easily accessible, and lint rollers are quite like large and cumbersome and then like just stick to everything. This travel one is perfect. It is double-sided. On one side it's sticky, and on the other side is texturized so that you can easily remove hair as well. It's so cute, it's so chic. It's about $10 and it has a very nice carrying handle on it. Not only do I love this for travel because it's dual-sided, but I like keeping this in my vehicle as well. Let me know if you can relate to this. You've worn something dark and you look down and all you can see is the lint that has been stuck to you and you're like picking it off individually. Not anymore. You're just gonna bust this out of your purse, go to town, call it a day, and move on to bigger and better things like eating spicy dill pickle almonds. What's something that you typically do when you go on vacation? You go to the pool, you go to the beach, you go somewhere where there is lots of water. At least that's how I like to vacation. We also like to bring playing cards, but here's the problem with playing cards. If you're traveling or you're at the beach or anywhere, there's water and it wrecks your playing cards, or maybe you're having nice tasty snacks like watermelon and veggies, like things with your fingers, and then it gets all over the cards and you're like, ah, cleaning these playing cards is a pain in the you-know-what, but not anymore. These waterproof ones are amazing. In fact, the Una ones came with a carabiner, so everything is nice and organized. You can clip this to your backpack, your beach bag, your travel bag. It keeps the cards all nice and organized. That way you're not also dealing with the cardboard box that typical playing cards come in. And again, in the summer, it's humid, there's moisture, and then moisture and cardboard is just not a good combination. And then tasty snacks on the cards, and then you got these like bacteria infested cards. These waterproof ones are genius. Kids are splashing all around you and you're trying to cover the cards. You're like, ah, don't wreck my cards. But not anymore. You're like, come on, water, splash away. My cards can withstand all of that. Are we friends on Instagram? If not, make sure that you follow me at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share the first of the first. And that way you'll never miss a thing. Make sure you sign up for that free newsletter linked in the description box below and pinned in the comments section. All right, to see part 1 of this video, make sure you click it on screen now here for some more amazing top travel goodies. And it will also be linked down below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.